Hello and welcome to another update video about IOTA. I haven't really done an IOTA video for a while because, to be honest, not much has happened, but now something is flashing here. Again, you know what AVAX did, Avalanche, and I think IOTA is about to do the very same or something very, very similar. So again, we've got a cup and a handle here. That handle hasn't broken out yet, or the cup hasn't broken out yet. There was an attempt here for a breakout, it failed. I repeatedly say, with these patterns, if we then break to the upside, it will be a bumpy ride, but I think we might have found a bottom down here at nearly $1, and we are on our way up now, and it might, and again, it's no guarantee, but it might do what Avalanche has been doing in the last few days. So basically moving along this ascending trend line, dropping briefly below it, and then continuing and breaking the 20, breaking the 200-day moving average, and about to break the 50. And if we break the 50, I think this could really shoot up. And bear in mind, we also have just managed to get above that high here. So we're making higher lows, we're making higher highs. Next level here is that 138 level, which is that high here. We're actually currently at another resistance level here at 135. You can see that here. I think we bounced off, currently sort of consolidating bullish, small cup and handle here. And I think from here we could go to that next major level up here. And I think the next target level, to be honest, I mean, I'm on the 4-hour chart, so I probably need to go on the daily just to see the next, come on, let me just make that like that. Okay, there you go. So now I think the next key level then for us is here, this one, which is the 145 level. Yeah, basically this high here where the candles closed. That's probably an interesting and important area that sticks out to me. So that's the first level that we need to address. But yeah, we need to get above that 50-day moving average. That isn't far away anymore, and while we're speaking here, we are moving up. So I don't actually want to waste a lot of time because this could really be a very, very interesting breakout. What is also flashing here is a buy signal. And why? So I've got this indicator that I showed you a few times, the trend rider, and that is on the 1-hour chart. It has just started to give me a buy signal. Yeah, so that background here became green, so that's the first heads up. If then the momentum indicator is becoming green, that is also another heads up, and that's actually the buy signal. Now that's on the 1-hour chart. Also on the 4-hour chart, I'm getting that now. So just now on the 4, I actually started already here. Yeah, that was yesterday. Gave me actually a buy signal already on the 4-hour. I missed that. I mean, I can't be everywhere. And however, on the daily, I can't see that yet. Well, that's actually a good sign because it starts from the 1-hour, moves up to the 4-hour, and then normally moves into the daily as well. So this is actually already a buy signal. I mean, actually it started yesterday already. It was at around 130, that buy signal. That came when we broke that pattern, that ascending trend line here. So, I mean, I've just opened a position. I think IOTA is lagging behind anyway. IOTA has now also obviously starts that or opens its platform for DeFi applications, so it's getting more and more interesting. And I think IOTA is potentially starting to become more and more interesting again. And now this buy signal is flashing, so I'm getting into a trade here. Again, there's no financial advice for you at all, but I think we could really nicely move here to the upside. And as we speak, we're actually doing that. So having the buy signal flashing, just want to make you aware of it. Again, while it happens, not when it's too late. So I think just at this moment when we get this buy signal, it might be worth considering getting into it. I mean, I don't give you any financial advice here. I don't want to tell you to buy or anything. I just tell you that I see a buy signal here, that I got into a position, and you can think about what you're doing. But again, I just try to provide value here, not telling you when a signal, has happened yesterday and we had a massive breakout already. So you can clearly see that nice structure here. I really think that is looking really nicely. We're currently retesting that ascending trend line here. You can see that, and it seems to be successful. So we might be accelerating away from here. 1 candle, 2 green candles. So it's looking good so far. And yeah, the 50-day moving average is for me like another accelerator. If we can get through that, I currently assume that we will. And yeah, that's it for me. I mean, the buy signal is flashing, so I'm getting into it. And again, I try to make you aware before it's too late. So also because we are just sort of having this pullback to the trend line, we could then have a good chance now to actually move away from it. So basically buy the dip. All right, just an idea, you know. I'm bullish on IOTA long term as well. I think they take the right directions with the latest announcements, and I think these change the fundamentals for IOTA certainly. So there are some good things happening in the IOTA space. So yeah, I think that works very well together, and maybe that is why IOTA is currently making some nice moves here. So yeah, it's basically beta smart contracts to foster interoperability that they are launching, or that they have announced. So they are being launched in a beta version basically, and it all starts to look quite interesting. So yeah, just want to make you aware. Hope you liked that video. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.